Hello everyone, myself Chadav Ganesh. Let we start. The first topic of cost accounting is introduction to cost accounting. First of all, we discuss the meaning and definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is the branch of general accounting and cover the application of the accounting principle related to recording, classifying and analyzing of the cost within the organizations according to the Walter Scott. In the simply, according to ICMA London has defined the definition of cost accounting is the techniques and process of ascertaining the cost. All the students know the meaning of accounting. Accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing a business transactions as a systematic manner. So, what is the cost? Cost is the process of ascertaining the cost. So, what is the process adopted in ascertaining the cost of the product? We seen into the cost accounting. So, next part of cost accounting is the nature and scope. Having nature and scope for the cost accounting is concerned with ascertainment and control of cost. The information provided by cost accounting to the management is helpful for the cost control and cost reduction through function of planning, decision making and control. Initially, they conform itself to cost ascertainment and presentation of the same, mainly to find out the product cost. Second, within introduction of large scale production, the scope was wider and providing information for cost control and cost reduction has assuming equal significance along with finding out the cost of production. To start with, cost accounting was applying in manufacturing activities, but now it is applied in the service organization, government organization, local authorities, agriculture firms and other industries and so on. Third scope for the cost accounting is to guide for the ascertainment of the cost of production. It is disclosed as a profitable and unprofitable activities. They help management to eliminate unprofitable activities. It provides information for the estimate and tenders. They disclose the losses occurring in the form of idle times, spoilage or scrap, etc. It also provides as perceptual inventories system. The fourth, having scope for the cost accounting, it is help to make effective controls over inventory and for the preparation of interim financial statement. They help in the controlling the cost of production with the help of budgetary control and standard costing. They provide the data for the future production policies. It is disclosed to related efficiencies to different workers and for the fixation of wages and worker. So we are going to next part of the cost accounting is the objectives of the cost accounting. First objective of the cost accounting is cost ascertainment. The main objective of cost account to find out the cost of the product, process, job contract, service or any units of the production. It is done through the various methods and techniques. Second objective of the cost accounting is the cost control. The every basic function of cost accounting to control the cost. A compare of the actual cost with standard reveals the descriptions, that means the variance reveal whether the cost is within the control or not. Remedial actions are suggesting to the control the cost which are not within the control. Third objective of the cost accounting is cost reduction. Cost reductions refer to the real and permanent reduction in the unit cost of the goods. Manufacturers or the services the render without affecting the use intended. It can be done with the help of techniques called budgetary control, standard costing, materials controls, labor control and overheads control. The fourth objective of cost accounting is fixation of selling price. The price of any product that consists of the total cost and the margin required. Cost data are useful in the determination of the selling price or quotation. It provides details information regarding the various components of the cost. It also provides information in the terms of fixed cost and variable cost, so that extent of price reduction can be decided. And last, number fifth is objective of the cost accounting, the forming business policies. It is the very important objective of the cost accounting into the any businesses. It is help managements in formulating business policies and decisions making. Break even analysis, cost volume profits, relationship, different costings, etc. It is help make decisions regarding key area of the business. Thank you friends.